Thank you for your interest in submitting an abstract for DDW 2013. Please note that the abstract submission deadline is 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Saturday, December 1st, 2012. To begin your submission, enter the following URL: http://ddw2013.abstractcentral.com. If you've used the system in the past, you may enter your user ID and password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. If you are new to the site and this is your first time creating an account, click on the Create an Account link. Please note, if at any point in the submission process you have any technical questions or issues, you may click on the Get Help Now tab to receive technical support. Your account should now be updated. To begin the submission process, click on the Submission tab in the upper right-hand corner. Select the society and type of abstract, then click on the Go button. Review the abstract submission instructions thoroughly, then click on the Create a New Submission link on the left-hand column to start your new submission. If you're returning to the site to review a submitted abstract or draft abstract, you may click on the View Submissions tab to view those. Enter the title and abstract body. Do not include the author names or institution information within the title or body. You may copy and paste your text from a word processor software. You can also insert special characters or preview the text on this step. Click on the Save and Continue button to move to the next step. Next, select the appropriate presentation type. Then select the appropriate category and subcategory or descriptor which you would like to have your abstract considered for. Once you select the appropriate subcategory, a confirmation box will appear to confirm your selection. Click on the OK button to continue. You may also indicate a preference, if your abstract is selected for presentation, to have your presentation scheduled on a day besides Saturday. Click on the Save and Continue button. Your institution information should be pre-populated along with your user account information. You will need to enter the information of all the co-authors. To add a new institution, enter the information and then click on Add. When you've entered all the applicable institutions, click on Save and Continue. Now you will add co-author names by clicking on the Add Author button. Once co-authors' names are added, then click on the drop-down option under First Affiliation and Second Affiliation, which corresponds with the institutions entered on the previous page. Mark Presenter next to the corresponding author. When complete, click on the Save and Continue button. You have the option to create a table. Fill in the number of rows and columns to generate the table. Click on Create Table when done. If you are not going to include a table, bypass this step by clicking the Save and Continue button. Likewise, you may upload an optional image. Do so by clicking on the Choose File button, then once a file is selected, click on the Upload button. PowerPoint, Excel, and Word files will not be accepted. Once you are done, click Save and Continue. This next step includes information which must be checked off by the submitting author and is required. Please review each section and mark off the corresponding box. When complete, click on Save and Continue. The Disclosure Status box will appear to remind submitting authors to complete their DDW 2013 disclosure step and to contact co-authors about completing their disclosures. Once the abstract is officially submitted, listed co-authors will receive an email prompting them to return to the site and submit their disclosures. The next step will highlight any sections which are displaying as errors. Click on the highlighted link to go to this step to correct the information. Once all errors have been resolved, you will then review your proof. You may go back to any step to correct any errors or make any revisions. The abstract is not fully submitted or considered final until the submitter pays the non-refundable $60 abstract processing fee. Click on the Submit button to go to the final payment page. Once payment has been submitted, you should receive an email confirmation verifying that your abstract has been successfully submitted. If you require any technical assistance, please contact ScholarOne customer support below. If you have any DDW program-related questions, please email ddwprogram@gastro.org. Thank you again for your interest in DDW 2013. We hope that you'll mark your calendar for DDW 2013, and we look forward to seeing you in Orlando, Florida.